Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious meze recipe. Meze is a small appetizer or a small plate that's served in Turkey or other Middle Eastern countries. And it's a very good way to have or consume vegetables that you don't like normally. And also I'm going to show you two meze recipes, one made out of carrots and the other is made with beetroots. Let's get started. So the first meze recipe that I'm going to show you is made out of beetroot, and I have about 1.5 cups of yogurt, some chopped walnuts, some chopped pista or pistachio, salt to taste, some chopped garlic, olive oil, and grated or shredded beetroot. Now the first thing that I'm going to do in order to make the meze dish is heat the pan and add a little bit of olive oil. And to this olive oil, I'm going to add the chopped walnuts and the chopped pistachios. And just mix it a little. Now I'm going to fry this for a couple of minutes till the aroma starts releasing. And now I'm going to lower the flame and remove this from the stove. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add a little more oil and add our chopped garlic and our shredded or grated beetroot. And I'm going to shallow fry this for a couple of minutes till the water gets evaporated a little. I'm going to season this a little with some salt and give it a quick mix again. And now I'm going to turn off the gas and go to the next step. And now we have this yogurt and I'm going to give it a quick mix. Just whisk it. So after whisking the yogurt, I'm going to season it with a little bit of salt. And just give it a quick whisk again. Now after this, I'm going to add our lightly sauteed garlic and beetroot to this yogurt. And then just give it a quick mix again. Now I'm going to add this yogurt and beetroot mixed in this bowl. Okay, and now I'm going to add some olive oil to this in order to serve it. And the chopped walnuts and pistachios. And the first meze recipe is ready, and I'm going to move on to the next meze recipe that's made with carrots. Now the second recipe that I'm going to show you is made with carrots. So the ingredients to make the carrot meze are, I have about 1 to 1.5 cups of yogurt, some grated or shredded carrots. These are some toasted sesame seeds. This is 1 spoon of tahini paste that's made out of sesame and olive oil, some sumac, garlic that's chopped, salt to taste, red chili pepper, and some olive oil. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is heat the pan and add some oil. And then I'm going to toss in some garlic. After adding the chopped garlic, I'm going to throw in the carrots. And just saute them for a couple of minutes. I'm also going to add some salt to season our carrots. We have lightly sauteed our carrots and I've turned off the flame, and now I'm going to mix it in the yogurt and season it. Now this is a yogurt and I'm going to give it a quick whisk and add some seasoning, some salt, and again whisk it. And after this, I'm going to add the carrots. Mix it. And I'm also going to add a little bit of this tahini paste and a little bit of sesame in between. And the remaining sesame I'm going to add for garnishing, and again mix it. And now we are going to add this to our serving dish. Now to this we are going to add a little bit of olive oil for garnishing. And then add some sesame seeds. These are the toasted sesame seeds. And along with that, I'm going to add some sumac. This is another Mediterranean spice. And some chili flakes. Now I'm going to show you how creamy our meze dish is. So I'm just going to lift this a little bit and just show you. It's so delicious and creamy. And here's the beetroot one. And you can see it looks so attractive and it's going to taste really good. I hope you enjoyed these two meze recipes, and if you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and for more videos tune in. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.